welcome to another segment of 1 Minute Marketing. While WeChat has over 1.08 billion registered users and over 900 million monthly active users, there is still a reason that you should be considering other Chinese social media platforms, like the second most popular social media platform called Weibo, which has been referred to as Chinese Twitter. Now, why is that? It's because Weibo has a maximum character limit of also 140 Chinese characters. The format of the news is much more of a scroll format where people can get their news quickly. And the important thing to note is that they have over 600 million registered users, of which 446 million of them are monthly active users. And just because, let's take to Western social media as a comparison. Just because Facebook is the largest platform and everybody wants to do it, it doesn't mean that we don't want to be on Instagram, which a lot of our brands are. So having WeChat serves one purpose for your brand, and having Weibo serves another purpose. In this case, Weibo is actually very popular for users to follow celebrities, consumer brands, and it's common, actually, for consumer brands and celebrities to make breaking announcements on this platform. So if you fall into that category, for example, you want to build your personal brand for either sports players or celebrities, singers, or other type of entertainment talent, we recommend that you have a Weibo presence. And the same goes for if you want to be on WeChat, you can also have a Weibo presence at the same time. They are complementary. So if you have a need for Weibo marketing services, you know where to go. Email us today at info@catalystagents.com.